Hey everyone, hope you having a awesome time and awesome day, and also you are in great and awesome health. In this video, I wanted to share with you something that I've actually been seeing on a continuous basis, and I wanted to bring to your attention. So, if you are someone out there who's actually looking to be making money in the online space, and if this sort of opportunity actually presents itself to you, I just want you to be very, very careful on where you actually putting your hard-earned money. All right. And I've been in the online space since 2014, 2015, and I've actually done a lot of different businesses. In the beginning stage, like I didn't want to learn any skills, right? Any special knowledge. I didn't want to learn all those because I was looking at getting quick cash. Quick cash is always good, right? And you are actually looking for a 10 key method that you can actually use to be able to earn income in the online space. Okay, so when I first started, my main thing was how can I make like $1,000 very fast, like overnight, So in the beginning, I was just kept getting scammed, like different crypto scams, different sort of done for you services. And this is another thing that you have to look out for. Someone's actually doing like a done for you service, and in the they're actually not building the business for themselves. They're pretty much doing it for you because you're gonna be like handing them your hard-earned money. All right, so here you go, and they can actually profit from your hard-earned money, right? And in return, they're gonna be building a business for you. Okay, it's a big no guys. So this is no deal from me. If I see some sort of things like this, I just get quickly turned off, and something just I just start getting my blood boiling, right? Because I actually made this mistake in the beginning where I want someone to actually build the business for me, right? And what I actually found out, that person who I actually gave the money to, they're actually going on lavish vacation, and they're not actually building the business. They're pretty much hired like cheap freelancers, and they're doing like a shitty job. So in return, I actually lost the money, right? And they're actually just enjoying their life, getting all this quick money because it's instant cash for them, right? So if you are looking for some sort of get rich quick thing, and if you're looking to get into some sort of like done for you service, someone is actually going to build a business for you, it's a big no. The best advice is actually I'll give you is actually learn the skill set yourself, right? Learn the skill set yourself, so that way you can actually build the business for yourself. Because end of the day, no one actually cares about the business more than you. Okay, like I care about my business more than any guru out there, right? And it same goes to those big gurus out there, right? They're actually worried about their pockets and their business. They're not worried about like other clients, all right? So it's a big no, it's a no deal. And don't get caught up into those sort of like done for you service. I'm going to build a drop shipping store for you. I'm going to build a YouTube channel for you. I'm going to be doing like investing for you. It's a big no. So if you don't have time, and if you're looking to invest cash into someone else doing the business for you, all right, be very careful where you actually putting your hard-earned money, right? Where you putting your hard-earned money, because I'd rather put my money into real estate rather than someone is actually building a channel for me, a drop shipping store for me, and I don't know if they are actually committed. If I'm buying a real estate, I know this real estate is mine and no one can actually take it for me, right? So be very careful. Don't get caught up in all these hypes like, oh, someone is actually making like $10,000 a month and they're gonna be helping you build a business. It's a big no. So be very careful, guys, into investing any of your money into all of these like quick cash things. And my best advice is to actually learn the skill set yourself, so that way you can have a sustainable and long-term business in the future. So again, thank you so much. If you let me know what you thought about this video. Leave in the comment and I'll be more than happy to reply. God bless and bye for now.